In this video, I will show you how to save or add a gift card in your samsclub.com account. So simply open up Chrome or any web browser. In the search bar, search for Sam's Club, then click on the URL. After that, click on this 3 lines menu bar in the top left corner. From here, sign in or create an account. After that, if you already have an account, simply put in your email, your password, and then log into your account. Or if you don't have an account, you can simply click on join now, then create your account. Once you've logged into your account, this will be your home page. From your home page, simply click on this 3 lines menu bar again. Here you will find account information. Click on it. After you click on account information, simply scroll down below. There you will find checkout preferences. There, click on payment methods. There you will find this add button. Simply click on it. After that, enter your gift card number, then your PIN, then simply click on save. And that is how you can add or save a gift card in your samsclub.com account. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.